الحمد لمن أعزنا بالمسجد الأقصى والصلاة والسلام على من صلى بالأنبياء فيها وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه أما بعد. Respected scholars, dear audience and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I want to talk about the ongoing situation in Palestine, which is heartbreaking crisis that needs our attention and support. For decades, the people of Palestine have borne relentless suffering. Homes reduced to rubble, families torn apart, and basic human rights denied. Children who should be playing in peace live under constant threat, deprived of safety, education, and a future behind the headlines and political bombast. Lie real human stories of pain, resilience, and hope, stories that demand our support. Supporting Palestine is not about politics. It is about standing up for justice and human dignity. Every person, no matter where they are from, deserves to live in peace, with the freedom to build a future without fear. By supporting Palestine, we are supporting their rights. We are supporting their rights to freedom, safety, and peace. We may not all have the power to change the situation overnight, but we can still make a difference. We can speak out, raise awareness, and share their stories. We can help by donating humanitarian organizations, providing food, medicine, and shelter to those in need. We can also pray for their safety and the end of their suffering. Finally, I want to say, we shouldn't stand silent while injustice continues. Let us stand together for peace, for justice, and for the people of Palestine. It is a time for us to show the world that we care and won't forget their struggles. Thanks for listening.